Welcome back to my channel, guys. And today I'll be discussing on how to automate some very boring micro tasks that we engage ourselves in doing almost every day. Like most of us, whenever we wake up, we check through our emails to see if we have some very urgent emails to attend to, and it normally takes most of our time, maybe probably 5, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, as the case may be, reading through some list of emails on your email address. So, what if there is a particular system that can help you check if there is any important email you need to quickly address? Then if you draft a response as quickly as possible. So that is why I'm introducing you to Claude AI, because Claude AI can actually handle such boring micro task. So what are you going to do? Come to this particular interface by typing this claude.ai/new, then come to customize. You click on customize, then you click on connectors, then you come to this plus sign here, click on this plus sign, browse connectors, then you can add Canva as your connector. Like if you are a graphic designer but you don't want to be opening your Canva, what's it called, your Canva app almost every day, so you can connect your Canva app to this Claude AI and then give it a prompt to help you create a particular design for any particular nature you want to design the flyer for, and it's going to do that for you. The same thing with Figma. Like you want to create some UI UX, some user interface website or app, you can also give prompt to your Canva AI to produce something similar to that for you by connecting your Figma. So today I'm talking about the Gmail. So I'm adding my Gmail address, my Gmail app to this. So I'm clicking this plus icon here. So let's wait for it to load up. So I'm adding this particular account. Continue. So I will select all and then come here, click continue. So it's showing here that the Gmail has been connected. So I have three different apps, like three different connectors that is connected to my Claude. I have the Canva, the Gamma, then the Gmail account. So I will go to this plus icon, click on it. So now this Claude AI now has access to my email, the all the messages in my email inbox. So I'm going to give it a prompt. I go through my email messages and give me the recent message that requires urgent attention. So go through my email messages and give me the recent message that requires urgent attention. So I'll click send. So let's see what it's going to come up with. Yeah. So this is it. So it came up with this particular message. Hi Sam, please be notified that you've been asked to submit the project unfairly tomorrow and come with other proposals as requested in the prior message. So this is actually a very urgent message for me to reply to. So, and if you come to my email, you will find that message there. This is it. This is a message here. So instead of me going to my email and then be scrolling to see which of these messages I need to respond to, or which of these messages actually requires an urgent intervention. So this Claudia has already done that for me. So now I can now tell my Claudia to draft a corresponding response to this message. Please draft a suitable response for this message. So let's wait for it till it draft the response. So as you can see, hi Temi, thank you for the reminder Noted. I will ensure the project is submitted tomorrow without fail, along with the additional proposal as previously requested. So you can just simply copy or click send via Gmail. So, or the moment you copy it, come to your email address and then you send it via the email address. So it's as simple as that. So then if you've connected your Canva, let's see if it's going to want to give it a prompt to make a beautiful flyer design for me for a restaurant business. Please go to my Canva and create a beautiful flyer, a beautiful restaurant flyer for me. Uh, Sorry, I need to correct this. Okay. So now let's see if it's going to create the flyer for me. So click send. Okay, so it's asking for a few details. What's the restaurant name? So let's say I Flyer restaurant. Next, what type of cuisine or vibe? Let's say Nigerian African. Then what's the main purpose of the flyer? Let's say special offer or promo. Now it's going to create the flyer. So because I've already connected my Canva as a connector to this Claude AI, so it's already creating it. So now as you can see, the flyer has already been created from my Canva. So you can scroll to this side. As you can see, it's very beautiful. Instead of you sitting down in front of your Canva and spend endless hours to design something like this, so Claude AI has already done that for you just by connecting your Canva to your Claude AI website. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I will see you in my next video.